If you're facing a billing hold on your Lyft account, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Log into your Lyft account and navigate to the payment section to verify your card details. Step 2. Update payment information. If your payment method is expired or incorrect, update it with the correct information. Add a new card or edit the existing one to ensure it is active. Step 3. Clear any outstanding balances. Review your ride history for any unpaid rides. If you find any, make the necessary payments to clear your balance and remove the hold. Step 4. Contact Lyft support. If the hold persists after updating your payment method and clearing balances, reach out to Lyft support. Use the app or website to submit a request for assistance regarding the billing hold. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After contacting support, wait for their response. They will inform you once the hold is lifted or if further action is required on your part. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing holds on your Lyft account quickly. If issues continue, keep in touch with customer support for further assistance.